What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video. Back with another banger. Back with another shit. We're doing a couple things. We're doing a live cop and I'm gonna do an unboxing. But before we do the unboxing, before we do the live cop, make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. Look, today, like I said, we're doing a couple things. We're going for the Air Jordan 4 University Blue, right? And then after that, or while we're doing that, I don't know. We're kind of just going off the whim. I got a shoe to unbox. But yeah, let's make sure we shoot our shot at this University Blue first. It's kind of weird because normally you guys, when shoes drop, they're on the days that I'm at work, but I'm at the house and I do want to start doing lives, right? Slowly easing my way into doing a couple lives a week, but I haven't set myself up. I want to set up StreamYards. I want to have all that stuff prepared. So we're still going to record this or pre-record this. Let me make sure my stuff is set up. Yeah, this is funny though. I kind of like it. I'm at the house. I'm comfortable. I'm not worried about taking a lunch break or anything. We got 1 minute until this shoe drops. 1 minute. But yeah, we're gonna go for this shoe, and then we're gonna go ahead and unbox this shoe. This other shoe we got here. I hope everybody's having a blessed morning. I'm sending good vibes out to you guys. You know what I'm saying? I hope everybody's having a blessed morning. So we got 1 minute. This University Blue, I'm really personally, I could live without. Maybe I'll keep it for trade bait. Maybe I'll resell it. Maybe I won't. I don't know. I gotta see when I get it in hand. But there's no way I'm not gonna shoot my shot. Oh, it's a draw too. I had no idea. Well, I can take my time then. That's kind of perfect. So it's a draw, and while we're waiting to see if we hit, we'll unbox this shoe. All right, so we're good. We're in there. We're submitted. What you mean you encountered a problem? The app's tweaking. Come on, what is this? Let's see if anybody else is having problems. You gotta let other people do the hard work for you, you know what I'm saying? Encountered a problem again. Let's try again. All right, I'm joined. It said joined, it gave me the check, says draw joined. All right, sorry about that. Well, hopefully everybody hits. Now we can focus on something cool. First of all, Nike with the reusable, no Just Steal It tape on it. Shout out to Nike for that. I've been waiting to unbox this shoe for like, I don't know, about a week and a half. You know, the energy got to be right for me to unbox shoes. So We got a Nike box. And the tag reads Nike Air Max 1 LV8 white dark teal green. Anyways, shout out to the new subscribers. We got 2 new subscribers. You guys know, oh my god, these are super soft. I love Air Max 1s, and it's hella hard to hit anything on sneakers. It's hella hard to hit anything anyway. So when I seen this shoe, I was like, you know what? I got to shoot my shot. Alright. Bow. Air Max 1 white and teal green. Bow. With the mini Nike check. Bruh. This shoe is so soft. Like, this shoe is super duper soft. This is like premium materials on this. Look at that, everybody. Look at the heel, size 10, my size. So you know they for the personal. Man, let me grab the other one. Bow. Doesn't come with any spare laces. Look on the inside. You got the green Nike Air. I don't know if I should have got a size 9 or 10 and a half, but that leather, even the green on that leather, oh my god, so soft. I'm super happy with this pickup. Super duper happy. How much time we got on this? Draw. Hold on. Yeah, bruh. I've been holding on to these. I've had these sitting at the house for about a week and a half. And I wanted to make sure I could do a good review for you guys. It just happens that these shoes are releasing too, so you guys get a 2-for-1. Hopefully I hit though. Hold on real quick. We still got 3 minutes and 54 seconds left to find out if we hit on this draw, but check these shoes out though. Then you guys go for these Air Maxes. Comment below. Comment below. I need your interaction as much as I need your support. And the way you can support me is by hitting that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my road to 1K. I need 1,000 subscribers. By the end of this year, I'm gonna keep dropping content as long as Nike will let me buy shoes. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at the bottom of the shoe. Got a little teal on the toe. This pod's all black, white, and black. Yeah, man. Can't be mad at these. So that's kind of cool, you guys. You guys got an unboxing. And we're doing a live cop. So shout out to y'all. It is 7:07. We got 2 minutes and 24 seconds left. What we got coming out? Tomorrow is a big day. Tomorrow is a big day for these Nike Sakai Vapor Waffles. Big day. Jordan has a Travis Scott men's utility vest coming out on April 30th. Is there a Travis Scott shoe coming out? Comment below if you know. Is there a Travis Scott shoe coming out? Because why would they just drop Travis Scott merch? Oh, shoot. Yeah. There's also an Air Jordan 6 coming out. What am I behind on? What is going on? It just showed that. It wasn't showing that. I just hit the check. Air Jordan 6. There's an Air Jordan 6 dropping. We got those patina ones dropping May 4th. The red Flints are dropping on the 13th. Citrus 11 Lows are dropping. Those are fire to me. And then you got the anniversary 11 Lows dropping. And then you got the Flint 7s. And then you got the Dunk Low Sting Waters. Bruh, there's so much heat dropping in the next month. And then the 28th, you got the Dunk Highs, the Laker colorway. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to keep up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep up. So much heat dropping. So a utility vest is dropping. And let me look. Let me Google something real quick. Travis Scott Jordan 6. There has to be something. Some type of picture. Oh, maybe it's these. It takes me right to StockX. But maybe it's... Maybe it's these right here. Yeah. All right, what's up, Nike? What's the deal? The LeBron sold out. All right. Are we just waiting for confirmation? Will I hit? The suspense is killing me. Should have entered the draw for the toddlers. What's up, Nike? Might as well look at these while we waiting. These is fire, bro. Like, these are so fire. Who bought the LeBrons? You guys really be liking LeBrons like that? Who's buying LeBrons out here? Like, who's buying these? Is it you? I mean, who? LeBrons? These are like moon boots. Are we really on LeBrons? I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I'm just saying. That's it. LeBrons are selling out? This YouTube, or the community of sneakers. Hilarious. LeBron sellout. Like, this is an ugly shoe. That is real. I mean, like, if I'm wrong, comment below. That's an ugly shoe. I mean, what am I waiting for? What are we waiting for? All that for nothing. All that for nothing. All that for nothing. Fuck out of here. Man, hit the like button, subscribe button, man. At least you guys got to see some shoes and it wasn't a total waste of your time, you know what I'm saying? So hit the like button, subscribe button, notification bell. I need your support. You know what I'm saying? I can't do this without you. I appreciate you. I love you. It's your boy Bart Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.